welcome back to my plant room. Just giving you an update on what I have growing in here. Got some stock flowers up there and Snapdragons up here. These I think are probably going to go out pretty soon, like sometime in March. So I'm going to have to start the hardening off process soon. These are delphinium. My first time growing, I'm not sure if they're just this slow growing or if maybe it's too warm in here, because it is 80 degrees right now. Maybe they need cooler temperatures, but they just barely put on these new true leaves. They've been planted for, gosh, I'm gonna say a month and a half, maybe 2 months. So, not sure if I'm doing something wrong or if this is just the way they grow. Got geraniums back there, lots of geraniums. All my carnivorous plant babies up here in the front, catching bugs, doing their jobs, earning their keep. More geraniums, more geraniums, more carnivorous plants. There's my coleus, which I took cuttings from in my landscape plants before winter. They are huge, and I've been cutting on them because, as you can see, I am propagating and starting new ones so that I'm going to have an absolute, oh my goodness, isn't that so cute? My butterwort is blooming. So adorable. But I'm going to have a lot of coleus to put out in the landscape. I don't think I'm going to have to go to the nursery or garden center and buy any. Geraniums, I had planted those outside in the containers and I just brought them in. And they have done that all winter long. They absolutely love it in here. Absolutely phenomenal plant. And that's the type of geranium that these are. That all of those are. Alright, got some artichokes up here. Cup and saucer vine. Did not realize they would get so big and start vining so early. Onions. Sweet alyssum. Got some Brussels, broccoli, and cabbage. Lisianthus that was from pelletized seed. A couple months old now. My own lisianthus from my own seed. Didn't realize I'd have such good germination, otherwise I wouldn't have planted them so densely. Eucalyptus, just have I think 3 that came up out of like 8. Spoon tomatoes, more artichokes back there, mystery plants right there. A cup and saucer vine that was so big I had to put it down here. Some shallots back there. This is Mullein, however you pronounce it. Never grown this before, flower. More geraniums. And my hydroponic system down here, I just had this set up. My husband has set it up for me. And it's running and looking good, but I have not put anything in it yet because I'm not sure what to do. What I want to plant in there. I was thinking maybe some bare root strawberries. If anybody knows if that would be a good idea, comment and let me know. Or what you would suggest I put in there. I don't want to put anything that's going to get too big because that's the space I want to keep them in. So really, something that is going to grow low, like strawberries, would be perfect. And then I have potatoes that I just planted in grow bags down here, which will go out once the temperatures reach a consistent, probably 50 degrees or above. Houseplants and mushroom growing kit. My husband absolutely loves these. We always have to get these for him. So there it is. That's what I've got going on in my grow room right now. Have a great day, all.